You know that feeling when you land on a web page and for some reason you just instantly trust it? Well, today we're going to deconstruct a single screen to see exactly how it works. We're going to uncover the psychological tricks they use to win you over in just a few seconds.
All right, so this is the web page we're going to be breaking down. Now, the challenge for any website is absolutely huge. I mean, you've got maybe 3 seconds, tops, to make an impression before someone just clicks away. So the real question is, how does this page pull it off so fast?
So, what is it that makes a first impression actually work online? How do you turn just a quick glance into genuine curiosity? Well, it turns out there's a classic marketing playbook for this. It's called AIDA. And this webpage is pretty much a masterclass in how to use it.
It all starts with that very first step. You gotta grab their attention. Before a visitor even has a chance to read a single word, you have to hook them with the visuals. This is where all the emotional heavy lifting happens, right up front. Just look at the photos they've used here. You've got this desert truck on camels, this totally serene ocean view. These are not just random pretty travel pics. Oh no, they were chosen very carefully to make you feel something, a sense of grand adventure, of escape, and of a really premium, exclusive kind of experience.
And here's where it gets really clever. Check out the top there. Netanel Tours VIP. That one little word, VIP, completely reframes the entire service in your mind. It tells your brain this isn't just some standard cookie-cutter tour. This is something special, something exclusive.
Okay, so they've got your attention. That's the first hurdle. But now comes the real challenge, holding on to it and building that flicker of attention into real interest and then into actual desire. And let's see how they do that, using some very carefully chosen words.
Now, this main headline is just so effective. Think about it. It's not just selling a vacation, is it? It's selling confidence. It taps directly into one of the biggest fears any traveler has, the fear of the unknown, of things going wrong. And this simple little phrase offers a powerful solution. You'll be safe, you'll be with an expert. And then, bam! This might be the most important detail on the entire page when it comes to building trust. That number, 17 plus. See, this isn't some vague claim like we're experienced. It's specific. It's concrete evidence. It's what we call social proof. And it instantly tells you this isn't some amateur operation. This is a pro.
Then the text breaks down exactly what experience means for you. Each one of these bullet points tackles a specific worry a traveler might have. Knowing the shortcuts, that saves you time. Understanding the risks, that keeps you safe. Finding the hidden gems, that promises a unique trip nobody else gets. It turns the abstract idea of experience into real benefits you actually want.
Attention, interest, desire, they've built it all up, step by step. But it doesn't mean a thing if the visitor gets to the end and doesn't know what to do. That brings us to the final and most critical step, the call to action.
And this part is just brilliant marketing. Instead of giving you just one button, they give you two totally different paths. Let's Plan Your Trip is for the person who's already sold, they're ready to go. But for the visitor who's still on the fence, Discover My Tools is this great, low-pressure way to stay on the site and learn more. It's genius because it caters to two different mindsets at the exact same time.
So let's pull all the way back now and look at the whole picture. None of these elements, the photos, the words, the buttons, are just dropped on the page randomly. They all work together like a single, well-oiled machine designed to guide you psychologically from that first glance right to that final click.
And that machine is the AIDA funnel, just executed perfectly. Your attention is grabbed by those powerful images and that VIP trigger word. Then your interest is built up by promising a solution to your biggest travel fears. Desire is created by showing you the specific real-world benefits you'll get. And finally, action is encouraged by giving you simple, clear options no matter how ready you are to commit. So the big takeaway here is that this kind of persuasive design is never an accident. It's a blueprint. It's a formula for building trust that you'll see all over the internet. And now that you know what to look for, the real question is, where else are you going to start seeing it?